Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this HENMI bicycle repair kit. It's a bicycle tire laver, a portable bicycle repair kit, or a bicycle tire repair kit with tire repair adhesive patch, and it's compatible with all bicycles tubes out there. This is a great help for on the go. A puncture can be a heavy load on our bike. With this HENMI bicycle tire repair kit, our bike will be ready to use again in just a few minutes. And it's a portable bicycle repair kit here. All items are packed in a compact box of 12 to 6 to 2 centimeter, which can be easily stored in our saddle bag or jersey bag. And of course, it's robust and durable. Unlike other fragile plastic levers, these bicycle tires levers are made of metal, which is high strength and can be easily removed from the hose. And we have a permanent repair. This tire repair glue and the patch designs has a strong adhesion that can withstand higher tire pressure than the pre-glued patches. The repair tubes works like a new one, and it's compatible with all bicycle tubes nearly. 12 patches of different size, easy to deal with all kinds of punctures. It's suited for mountain bikes, city bikes, pedelecs, trekking bikes, and so on for all bicycles out there. We have metal tire lever. This is made of iron, strong and durable. We'll lever up the tire with a crowbar and attach it to the spokes. Pry the tire up with another crowbar and push it forward, and you will get out your tube. And we have patches for the bicycle in your tube. The natural rubber used in the patch has an extremely high ductility and can be absorb higher tire pressure. 3 sizes for pedelecs, mountain bikes, children's bikes, and more are in the box. And we have 8 milliliter of vulcanizing fluid. Strong, stickiness, the best choice for repairing bicycle tubes, of course. And as you can see, it's really easy to attach this on our tube. A repair kit or a service kit is a set of items used to repair a device, commonly comprising both tools and spare parts. Many kits are designed for vehicles, such as bicycles, like here, and maybe kept with the vehicle in order to make on-the-spot repairs. Some kind here is that it's everything included. The puncture repair kit with tire lever, with a sandpaper to clean off an area of the inner tube around the puncture, a tube of rubber solution, this is vulcanizing fluid, and round and oval patches, a metal grater, and a piece of tubes, which we can use for the valves. This kit is included nearly everything what you need for a nice puncture repair of your bicycle tires. That means your tube. It's easy. Only a couple of steps are to perform until we are ready to drive again, to continue driving with our bicycles. First, we have to remove the tube. Then we have to see and find the puncture. Then we will sand it, the area. Then we give on top the vulcanization liquid. Wait 5 minutes. Then we attach the patch on it, press with a little bit of force, 5 minutes on the patch, job's done. That's all. And then we can continue, have fun with our bicycle. And with the same tire, that's a repair, so it's better for the nature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.